Welcome traders, Patrick at Trader, Trading123.net. In this video we're using the Trading123 Market Delta and trading the ES. We're looking to go short or long on high sell prints. This trade was on Friday, January 8th, 2021. And with the market delta, it shows the volume prints in real time as they happen, and it moves with the price action. And it's the most accurate indicator out there that you could have in trading the ES and following the volume. So the ES here is coming up to a high, and then it gets a big sell print right here of over 1,000. So that's a clue that the trend is going to change. And then we see this next sell print here of over 400. So we get short 2 contracts, and we have an ATM set up. And here's our stop. And price begins to sell off on these 2 big sells. And as it goes down, it hits our first profit target. Now, you never know how far this is going to go to the downside. So our first profit target is usually 8 to 10 ticks to pick up some profit. And then our next profit target is down here at 38.01. So this trade is moving along nicely. We're in the profit. We bring our stop down to protect it, protect the gains. And let's look at the next slide. So as the price action begins to move lower and we take out the low, it begins to accelerate the sell-off with more selling and moving lower. So we drop our price target below 3,800. Before it was at 38.0150. So we drop it down a couple points. They're still selling here. There's a couple buy bars here, but as long as the Renko bars are still red, you ride it down for the full profit potential with this indicator. Because with this indicator, you only need a one and done on 2 contracts, and you can make your profits for the day. So as you see, this trade has accumulated after the first profit target was hit. We got $275 profit into this trade, and we already booked a $100 profit at this target here. So we're going to ride this down as far as we can, get the most potential profit, look at the volume prints to see what they're telling us, what the market's doing, and how low we can go. So this is pretty much what they call a free trade. We got our trail stop here. We brought it down. And we're just riding this for the most potential profit that we can get. And if we have to, we'll adjust our profit targets and our stops as the price moves up or down. And if we see any high prints, we'll tighten it up and get out of the trade. So with this indicator, these high sell prints at the highs and the high buy prints at the lows, you're going to see a trend change. You get in, and then you manage the trade. You set up an ATM and set profit targets. You know, depending on what type of trader you are, you set your own profit targets. And then you manage the trade and let the software do the work for you. Read the market, read the volume prints. Weak markets get weaker, and down we go here. So here's the next screenshot of the final trade. As I said, we got short here on a big sell print. First target hit at 8 ticks, and then we just ride this down. It takes out the low here, and it starts to get weaker, and it sells off. Here you have a big sell print as it goes lower, and the selling accelerates. Initially our target was up here at 38.01. We dropped it lower and lower, and we've seen this buy print come in, and we took our gain right here at 37.96.50 for a nice trade on 2 contracts. The key to the trade were these 2 big high sell prints. The first one was over 1,000, and then the next one over 400. And in our manuals and videos that come with the software, I tell you how to identify these areas when the big sell prints come in and then the big buy prints come in. So altogether, we ended up with 8 tick profit and a 38 tick profit. Altogether, 46 ticks times 12.50 a tick, 575 gain. We were going for roughly right around 500, and we got some extra bonus and a nice trade using the volume delta indicator. It reads the volume as the market is moving, so you can see the price action. There's no delay in the price action, and it's very accurate in its reads, and the bars in the boxes here do not repaint. So once this Renko bar closes and this print closes, it'll go on to the next bar, and this bar will remain red if it's red, and then it'll work on the next bar as the price goes down, and vice versa for the buying. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more trading tips from Trading123.net, and also like us on Facebook and Twitter. Any questions, you can go to our website, Trading123.net, and email us. And for more information on the volume delta, also visit our website. So hope you enjoyed the video, and have a good evening. It's Patrick, Head Trader, Trading123.net. We'll see you next time.